How to sync BuddyPress member type with WordPress roles. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to sync BuddyPress member type with WordPress roles. By default, both WordPress and BuddyPress do not have this feature. But you can have it with only a few clicks. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate them. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the searching bar, then install and activate them. Second, you need to install and activate BuddyPress member type. You can purchase this plugin on Youzify.com. We put the URL on this video description below. Once both plugins are activated, please create a member type first. Navigate to Users, Member Types. And then, fill the required fields to create a new type. And then, please select associated roles. In this video, I will associate these member types with the author's role. Then click the Add New Member Type button. For a test, I will register a new account and select Student for member type. You can set users can activate the account by themselves. But in this video, I will let the admin activate it. And here it is. You can see the new member assigns an author role automatically. By default, it should have a subscriber role. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.